Maame Serwaa actress wo kumawu industry nim akwala we o share acting ase no na wo so we ye ketekete be 6 years na wo share acting ase wo mu na ne maame be free man crofo born no yi se wo na de ne maame akon gisika dro because we nya sika wo se sansam nya wo tie no ha no se si anso crofo asore bobobobo bill Asamoah se Maame Serwaa hwe kro ne bill hyehye ho o ne Frank Naro mu nyina hyehye wo crofo de tag akwala no se wo ne omo adeda rough no aya na ano odin enne ono ankasa piemu na Romeo ahye ye de ono ankasa ne no mutom se si a ono ankasa a kire nipa ko ne twempra we de wan fancy wan kire mu de na so ne kasem no wo ye pani a wo be hu nipa kro mayenko na Romeo ahye one ye fa Maame Serwaa ono ankasa ne no mu nsam a wo ka fa enkrofo ya bobo mu din ho
atage with a member different bebre ene yese BBL Asamoah udeti no ochina yese Frank Naro udeti no ade ye chen yese Awal Mohammed ana o rap no yese ono so udeti no sansem ni nyina no emu de hina na ye no kre na se enye no kre nso a eya eno so etewsen se uti uba bi ne yese udeti obi nso na onye obi bia etisen
pacho emema na wabo mu nyina di minim se waja bi wom dia ba mema wabo mu nyina di no obi ani ho asabi mini no obi bia eye adwuma and uko wajuma mu na wonimu ntia you have a problem with people and it's a wanim tina ukabeni part they feel like uni nipa no obi bia and Ghana hano they don't like to see a mema ne ma adamfo and agrodi so I feel like some empenifo ya na senkofo ya wabomudin I work with them say many obi crown need the same field crown we are all in the entertainment industry if you meet your people like kabeomo be friendly it's nothing bad and all my life no my relationship I just say be a me na me ma say me ma you will never know
it's true
I let you know what I want you to know. And see, dear enkofo kan, dear be a bloggers be tron. Say me am from Betoa, please, it's a lie.
Wow. Inti meaning say opeso yetia say free necro. Dear obi betro a won posty about it, no. My believe. Especially when it comes to relationship.
Me patch.
And any other.
Any news about me because me sometimes I don't blame the bloggers because my juma no. Said yeah me sorry anopa me fa mata de hye se me ne kwaku manu lewen na na mama gba mu kwakoye adwuma sanso na blogger bi so sorry anopa ne phone ene na adwuma ofa ne phone na onim say I need to connect with people on my phone to get something to chop nti enye bibi boni but sometimes bloggers no verify your stories first before you take it out there
but is there any special reason why on fa a relationship and to abontin Diana Wahuntia, all this why you say our boyfriend biada. Is there any reason for that?
Okay, so recently, then I made it public. Say I'm going out. Obi amina call relationship biano. It's private to me. But this time around, I felt like you know what? It's not a secret, but it's a private thing to me. I'll let you know what I want you to know. But it doesn't mean say I won't date, I won't see people. Yeah, I do that. But I will let you know what I want you to know.
You are in a relationship.
Yeah, I'm in a relationship.
Now, o birthday, now saying how do you birthday? I think 25th birthday, right?
Yes.
And Chebia.
Yes.
Yeah, gentleman bia. Obe show. I mean, Abrana would do birthday. A man for car say Eyonoa. Ebisu say Eyonoa. Eyonoa and Eyonoa.
Okay, so
okay, here mum. Okay, yasem. Say Eyonoa, say Eyonoa. But I see you. Nihu ya konta.
And the mention, but it was a surprise. So and yes, I saw some comments and people were like, "Oh, she's chasing clouds." Not no, I'm not chasing clouds. Me. I hear na me ba media anymore. Then maybe it's a good cause. I don't come just to like create some content or story just to trend and just go. No, I don't do that. It's when no it taking me by surprise. They did it in a surprise way because I am birthday. It's and omu ye video na no posti. Ever baby na sebi me bonjo so say something where I felt it was intimacy like na me pese be out there but na enya aquarius.
Oh, and then I say brofi out there be show there. What class of intimacy. Where they wow they hook that. Wow, that's beautiful. I mean, boyfriend it's no news when you akwala. I mean, Ghana how you 18 years and above utimi fa bema. Inti enye news. Just that Anna because of a juma now you know you're popular. Inti they say no obi abeso hu de ekoso life mu.
Yeah.
Inti basically oko gym o part of body no de hina o focus on pa.
Okay, so first no na say me upper side ne dorsal chain me lower so I was focusing on balancing it together.
Okay.
It's me making sure say me full ebe form then I'll balance the akano together. And no nankofo bebre hu they think say the back side is fake but na mitimi busa me say then what about the front side? And then you fake because I move feel say and not the no for the won't and go for you no for that.
Of course.
So I didn't think I not the fake by shade the fake. And or money meaning your mo share me they know say I had the body already. And yes say be me imagine say me kwako to silicone the hashisha me body. They knew and I've been growing. Minka said ya metia da.
Of course.
I'll grow.
Of course. Until say okay when you see people doing that about you.
First but I felt like it's also a motivation.
That's good.
Dear can be no matter what you do what them kranyansa kakrabi wo baby.
For sure.
So yeah.
Na just say wow birthday no di no. Akwa na obe surprise so na just say wono na hye ho. Maame we de ye hu o guy no. Oye nice mu. Kwentwa makra.